Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about MySQL data types. There are various data types in MySQL and we will categorize these data types into three major categories: numeric, dates, and string. So let's have a look at them one by one. Numeric data types. Int. It is a small sized integer that can be signed or unsigned. Tiny int, a very small integer that can be signed or unsigned. Small int, again it is a small size integer that can be signed or unsigned. Medium int, a medium sized integer that can be signed or unsigned. Big int, a large integer that can be signed or unsigned. Float, a floating point number that cannot be unsigned. You can define the display length by m and the number of decimals by d. Double, a double is precision floating point that cannot be unsigned. Same, you can define the display length by m and number by d. Decimal. It is an unpacked floating point number that cannot be unsigned. These data types are used to store information in numeric format. Date and time types. Date and date time. Both are a combination of year, month, and date. In date time, hours, minutes, and seconds are extra. Timestamp. A timestamp is between midnight January 1st, 1970 and sometime in 2037. That means it is like the previous date-time format only without the hyphen time. It stores the time in hours, minutes, and seconds format. Year. It stores a year in a 2-digit or 4-digit format. These data types are used to store dates and times in our database. String types. Character, which is denoted by char and pronounced as char. It is a fixed length string between 1 and 255 characters in length. Variable character, denoted as VARCHAR and pronounced as varchar. It is a variable length string between 1 and 255 characters. Blob or text, a field with a maximum length of 65,535 characters. Blobs are binary large objects, and these data types are used to store strings in our database. And we will have a deep look in data types as we move along with our next tutorials. Thank you.